So you've heard about artificial intelligence and you've probably experimented with tools like ChatGPT or Claude. But the big question everyone's asking is what can it actually do for construction businesses? But before we get into that, I want to start the video by going through some numbers. And I think it's essential to understand these numbers because these frame how we think about using AI in construction. The average profit margin for a construction contractor is between 5 to 6%. The average cost of bidding a project is around 0.5% of the contract value, which means for a $10 million project, you will get about 500 grand profit and will spend less than $50,000 to bid it. Construction is highly commoditized, which basically means if you're willing to drop your price enough, you really won't have a problem securing projects. The challenge most construction companies face isn't winning work, it's winning work at a price and with terms and conditions that you can make money on. Now, the reason I think these numbers in this background is important because it frames how we think about AI and how to sensibly apply it. The best use case of AI isn't to replace things like quantity takeoffs, where maybe you save an estimator a couple of hours during the bidding phase, but they miss a pile on a drawing and you're up the 25K of cost you haven't covered. The smart use of AI on construction projects is how do you turn your 5% profit margin into a 10% profit margin? And you fundamentally do this by leveraging the capabilities of AI to reduce risk and uncertainty and then to better manage projects. This means applications like properly analyzing your client's bid documents to extract every requirement and to make sure these flow down into your subcontract scopes of work, or cross-checking your final estimate and bid submission against the client's original requirements to make sure you haven't missed anything, or then taking your subcontractor quotes and properly vetting them for inclusions and exclusions, and reviewing construction contracts to pull out any risky terms and conditions and compare them to a template set of standard departures that you have. With all these use cases, AI is a tool we're using to reduce risk and increase operational performance. We're doing the tasks that probably we know we should be doing, but with the realistic overheads required to run a construction business, we probably don't have the money to employ extra people to do all these tasks properly and perfectly. AI's core strength, ironically, isn't actually thinking and intelligence, it's using it as a data transformation tool. These models are unbelievably good at taking information, data, context in one format and putting it into another format, which when we get to the core of what a lot of these construction management tasks actually are, things like estimating, scheduling, contract management, so much of the time that actually goes into doing these processes properly is taking data from one information and putting it into another one. These tasks and processes fall apart when we don't have the time and resources to do this properly, which is the perfect application of AI. The opportunity with AI, or the way I see it for construction companies, isn't to need less estimators or less contract admins. It's basically to find the busy work, the data transformation tasks in these processes and convert them into workflows. These are workflows or agents that can run and perform these tasks and support the people doing the work. The way we use AI is fundamentally shifting from typing a question in to getting an answer out to using AI to execute pre-built workflows. We customize and tailor these workflows to the exact way we want things done. We define the inputs, the steps, and the data, information, and context that AI uses to perform the task. We drastically increase the reliability and the utility of AI by defining the information and data it's using, the way it is going to reformat the data, and the output template we want that data in. Basically, the less that AI actually has to do, the better it performs. That's why we built ContractorOS. It's an operating system that leverages AI for different construction project management tasks. It contains a pre-built workflow library of plugins and skills that you can download and run in either ChatGPT or Claude. We've spent time developing and refining these skills, and they cover all the different construction management domains like estimating, scheduling, procurement, contract administration. We've got implementation calls with tech support and guidance on how to customize these to your specific workflow and importantly, integrate them with your existing project software. On top of that, we'll give you regular updates on new AI tools so you don't have to get caught up in the wave of information and hype. We'll curate and find what's actually useful for construction businesses. And on top of that, we'll answer any questions and give you tech support and guidance on, most importantly, how to set up your own data and workflows using our pre-built templates. At the end of the day, we're trying to be laser focused on what can actually help construction businesses and to cut through the wave of hype surrounding AI.